Wings Mobile Detailing is back again at the International Car Show, detailing a fleet of 90 vehicles today. We got the crew back here. We're doing some beautiful cars for Toyota, Ford, Chevrolet, Mazda, Tesla as well, and all some exotic brands as well that we're gonna show you guys. Let's go over each car on how to take care of the fleet better, detailing 90 vehicles for the unveiling of the car show tomorrow. And Wings Mobile Detailing is the top-rated franchise detailing business, and we're here in Virginia Beach this time. So as always, when we're detailing these brand new cars, we treat it slightly different than when we're doing used cars. For example, for the interior surfaces, we always use pH balanced soap and solutions for interior and exterior products that we use, as well as for the hard surfaces conditioning treatment. The types of conditionings we use, which is actually similar to when detailing any type of car, it's water-based. So there's no silicone, no oils. It's gonna get the greasy residue. It's gonna be made for these surfaces, being leather, vinyl, Alcantara fabric, vegan seats as well, like you see on Tesla vehicles. So for these type of seats and fabric, you actually need protection and to moisturize the skin. In leather, for example, they can't be silicone-based, oily, and give that grimy residue. So all these surfaces has to be protected the right way using the correct techniques, as well as for the exterior of the vehicles. So for these antique cars, we have 1970s, 1960 vehicles here, beautiful ones. It works slightly different on detailing, whereas regular modern cars, they have clear coat on the paint, for example. These ones is just one single stage of paint. So for detailing, you'd have to take care of it differently with a specialized product as well that doesn't corrode the actual paint of the vehicle, because this is a one-stage paint type. Same for the leather interior. So for more modern cars, they actually have a vinyl type of leather or vegan seats. The older ones has real leather, which takes a different type of product with vitamin E to condition and protect the leather of these cars. So same for boats. Of course, boats works completely different than car. Instead of clear coat or paint, it's fiberglass. So we use different types of product here to protect the fiberglass of the boat, all the hull area, the interior as well of the boat. We detail everything from inside and outside of boats, RVs, cars, airplanes, helicopters, any sorts of vehicles. So we're about to finalize all these vehicles here for the International Car Show, get everything beautiful for the show tomorrow. Make sure it's shiny and in pristine condition, protected as well, which is very important. So stay tuned for the Wings Mobile Detailing channel, subscribe, and if you need your vehicle detail or your corporate fleet as well taken care of, count on Wings Mobile Detailing.